Is Gmail the only email app that's fully free? Big no. There are plenty of other apps that are in some cases even more secure, clutter-free than Gmail, and you can use them without spending a penny. But what are those? We've been working with them for a long time, so we decided to cut through the noise and share the best, absolutely free email apps that you can use by ditching Gmail. Kicking things off with focusing on privacy, we have Proton Mail. If you're looking to shield your digital life from prying eyes, this is your starting point. Its main selling point is end-to-end and zero-access encryption, which means that not even Proton can read your emails. You can even send password-protected, self-destructing messages to people who don't use Proton. However, the free plan is best described as a privacy starter kit. You get one email address and up to 1 GB of storage, but you have to complete some simple onboarding tasks to get that full gigabyte. Otherwise, you start with 500 megabytes. The daily sending limit is capped at 150 messages, and you're limited to just 3 folders and labels for organization. A crucial point for serious users is that the free plan doesn't support third-party email clients via IMAP or SMTP, so you have to use Proton's own web or mobile apps. Also, a detail often missed is that while the body of your email is encrypted, the subject lines are not. For most people, this isn't a deal breaker, but for those needing absolute secrecy, it's something to consider. Moving on to Spike. This mail app makes communication smoother by letting you make voice or video calls directly within the app. It's designed to boost your productivity with smart features like easy file management and collaboration tools, reducing the need for multiple apps. It's free for personal use, but teams need to pay around $5 to $6 per user for the Pro version. Spike, now upgraded with Magic AI, makes email communication way faster and more efficient. This AI feature helps you write flawless emails in no time, offering smart suggestions and context-based replies. Spike's AI helps you manage a mountain of emails and summarize long threads easily. Its chat-like interface makes managing emails feel like a conversation, offering a refreshing break from stiff email clients. But like all great things, it has a minor flaw. The user interface can sometimes feel a bit laggy, which might slow you down on busy days. However, with its seamless integration across various email services like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, Office 365, and more, the benefits far outweigh the occasional hiccup. So if you're looking for a smarter, more efficient way to handle your emails, Spike with Magic AI is definitely worth checking out. As you know, Zoho has a large suite of products to offer. Zoho Mail works best when it's part of the bigger Zoho system. Sure, it's a great email platform on its own, reliable, secure, and affordable. But what makes it effective is how easily it connects with other Zoho tools. Like if you've got Zoho CRM for managing your customers, Zoho Forms to gather data, and Zoho Recruit for hiring, all of these can work directly with your email. You can even schedule and join virtual meetings with Zoho Meeting right from your Zoho Mail calendar. That's convenience you don't have to think twice about. While it's true that integrations with apps outside the Zoho world can be a little limited, everything inside their ecosystem works like a charm. Zoho Mail also offers good storage space, great collaboration features, and pricing plans that won't break the bank. Moving on to Spark. It's another Apple Mail alternative, which comes with a standout feature, a smart inbox, which automatically organizes emails into categories such as newsletters, pinned, new, seen, and more. It also includes a range of productivity features such as snooze, send later, email follow-up reminders, and smart notifications. Another impressive feature of Spark is its swipe actions, which allow you to quickly take action on emails. For example, you can swipe an email and send it to Todoist with a link back to the original email. This feature is especially helpful for those who use Todoist as their task manager. Additionally, by signing up with Spark for Teams, users can collaborate on emails, discuss replies privately, and create permanent links to messages. Like all of the other options on this list, Spark supports most IMAP email providers. However, it doesn't always work well with Exchange email accounts, and it requires more of your data compared to other email clients. So, if you're someone who likes staying organized, saving time, and getting mail writing done with fewer distractions, Spark is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we're diving into the future with an app that puts artificial intelligence front and center: Canary Mail. Canary Mail comes with a built-in AI assistant called Copilot, designed to help you write emails faster and more effectively. Instead of typing out every email from scratch, Copilot can generate replies, summarize long email threads, and even suggest professional responses. If you deal with a high volume of emails, Canary's AI can save you valuable time. One of the standout features of Canary Mail is its end-to-end encryption. This means that your emails stay completely private. Canary Mail also offers Secure Send, a feature that protects emails even if the recipient isn't using Canary Mail, ensuring maximum security at all times. Canary Mail isn't just for Mac OS, it's available on Windows, iOS, and Android as well. This means you can easily switch between devices while maintaining a consistent experience. Of course, we can't have this list without talking about the default choice for millions: Apple Mail. For a long time, Apple Mail was seen as a basic, no-frills client, but that has changed dramatically. Its greatest strength has always been its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem. It just works perfectly across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. But with its latest updates, it's become a real powerhouse. It now features Gmail-style on-device categorization that automatically sorts your mail into primary, transactions, updates, and promotions tabs. Furthermore, the introduction of Apple Intelligence brings on-device AI to summarize long emails and suggest smart replies. Its biggest differentiator, however, remains its industry-leading privacy features. Mail privacy protection blocks tracking pixels and hides your IP address, preventing senders from monitoring your activity. The limitations are obvious. It's only for Apple users, and your mail storage is tied to your free 5 GB iCloud account, which can fill up quickly. Moving on, Thunderbird is a great option if you're looking for a free email app that gets the job done without a lot of fuss. No matter if you're dealing with custom server mail or just a standard webmail account, it can do everything. Writing emails is easy with all the formatting tools you'd expect: fonts, sizes, colors, you name it. Thunderbird doesn't stop at email. It lets you chat with your contacts on platforms like Facebook, Google, and Twitter. You can see who's available, update your status, and even revisit old conversations. Managing contacts is fairly easy too. You can bring in your Outlook contacts or let Thunderbird automatically build your address book as you email people. If you're not tied to an Exchange server, Thunderbird is a reliable and flexible choice for managing email on your desktop. So, what's the final call for the best free email app? There's no single best app. It all depends on what you value most. If you're a privacy purist, Proton Mail is your fortress. For a new small business, Zoho Mail's free custom domain support is unbeatable. If you want to experiment with AI and manage tons of accounts, Canary Mail's generous free plan is the one. And for the ultimate tinkerer, Thunderbird offers unmatched control. Just analyze your needs, make the right choice, and share your experience with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.